Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today we're talking about the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, wireless earbuds which offer a richer audio experience with the Apple-designed H2 chip that pushes advanced audio performance even further, resulting in smarter noise cancellation and more immersive sound. With up to 2x more active noise cancellation than the previous AirPods Pro, you can experience dramatically less noise on your commute or when you want to focus. Adaptive transparency lets you comfortably hear the world around you, adjusting for intense noise in real time. The AirPods Pro come with 4 pairs of silicone tips to fit a wider range of ears and provide all-day comfort, and the tips create an acoustic seal to help keep out noise and secure AirPods Pro in place. Personalized spatial audio surrounds you in sound tuned just for you, and you can swipe the stem to adjust volume, play, and pause music, answer and end a call, or switch between active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency. With up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation enabled and a charging case that provides up to 30 hours of total listening time, the AirPods Pro offer a higher level of control and a more capable case. You can keep track of them with precision finding and a built-in speaker, and charge with an Apple Watch or MagSafe charger, or use the Lightning connector or a Qi-certified charger. Overall, the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation wireless earbuds offer a magical experience with quick access to Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," easy setup, in-ear detection, and automatic switching between devices. You can check out the link in the description below to purchase them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews.